All right, what about now? Okay, I think that's better. Thanks, Robert. Thanks, Ravant. Appreciate you guys coming through. Yeah, my mic wasn't plugged in properly, but it should be good now. Should be good now. I'm just setting up all the supposed stream destinations. Is TikTok gonna work? Hello? Yeah, just give me a few minutes to set up. Hope you're doing well. Is anyone doing the lovable free credits, taking advantage of that? I think I might do that this stream as well as some other things. I am having trouble going live on TikTok. It's always TikTok for some reason. That is the issues. Let me try to fix it again. Did I have a cat or a dog? Um, Neither. I've never owned a cat or a dog. I used to play with my neighbor's cat when I was young. But yeah. Okay. Looks like TikTok is working now. Although, what's weird? Okay, never mind. Just getting the chats in line. Let's see if that worked. Okay. Let's send the message here. Yes, okay. I think we're ready. I hope y'all are ready too. Cause it's about to go down. Maybe yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's do it. So, I think I'm gonna just start off with Lovable. I feel like it's a waste if we don't use these free credits. So yeah, free weekend on Lovable today this weekend. We're getting free usage for Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI. Supposedly, it's some kind of battle to see like which one does the best. I don't know. It's definitely going to be very subjective. There's going to be a lot of judges though, so I'm a, it's definitely a really cool idea. And you can win up to $7,000. Let's actually read more before we start. I don't think I'll be entering per se, but just to see. Oh, you can see stats. Wow, people aren't using Gemini as much as they're using Anthropic and OpenAI. That's pretty interesting. 49 projects submitted with Anthropic, 28 submitted with OpenAI. Average duration. Oh, interesting. Get to see the duration of how long the prompt takes and also the error rate. Wow, Anthropic's got the least error rate. Uh, okay, so there's two challenges, a content challenge, 25K creating a social media post, preferably video, comparing the three different models and how they perform inside Lovable. The winner will be chosen based on quality, reach, and depth. This is something I could submit into. And then there's a 40K build challenge where you push the limits, pushes AI limits with Lovable, mainly using the top model. There will be one 10K model, 10K winner per model category chosen by the respective provider and one overall 10K prize. Okay, so there's 30K for each provider, so 10K from Google, 10K from Anthropic, 10K from OpenAI, and then one overall 10K provider, 10K prize. Project has to be built 90% at least using one AI model. Interesting. Well, this first one is super easy for someone like me, I guess. We'll just do the same prompt with all the different models. Let me sign in here. I'm gonna hide my screen. Am I Arab? Nope, I am not Arab. I am. Let's go with Persian because it sounds nicer, especially in this day. Let me just sign in here to Lovable. Okay, we're looked in. The three are bad. All three of them are bad. That's pretty funny. Let's see. Wow, by default it puts me on lovable. All right, we're gonna do OpenAI. I have I have this one PRD that I want to do initially. Let's see, can I look at my chats here? This vibe coding tribe PRD here, which is a community where people earn tokens by contributing to open source projects. I'm just gonna put the same prompt in all three models and see how they do, shall we? 1, 2, 3, three tabs open. 1, 2, 3. OpenAI, Google. Oh no, Anthropic got rate limited. Actually, did one. Oh wow, it put them all three. Wait, can we submit? Submit. 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 All right, let's see how we go. Lots of traffic, no surprises there. I should have remembered which one was which. Okay, Google. Wow, is the Google one broken? You can see the other two have started, but it seems like the Google one is broken. That's maybe why the the stats were so low for Google. That's a bit of an L. You'd expect Google to have the best infrastructure for this, but that's a bit sad. User says, I used Bolt to generate UI, then export to Figma to pass to devs and let them do their thing. Awesome flow, man. Yo, Ramesh, welcome. Or Nate, welcome. Notion clone was awesome. Glad you liked that. I actually have a like edited version of that video I'm about to upload, um, which just trims the whole stream down into like 20 minutes. Looks like, wait, this one's finished? Or is it still going? Once you've connected, okay, so this one wants me to connect Superbase. Guess it makes sense. I see you want to build web coding tribe. This is an exciting project. Okay, let's see how easy it is to connect Superbase here. Create a new project. I'm gonna call this Vibe Tribe Anthropic. Region Ireland. Let's go with London. That's where I am, but my users will probably be West US. It's like I have to. Can I press this? Okay, that's good. Okay, it's the project. Do I have to refresh here? Probably. Vibe Tribe. Chloe, thanks for joining. Mr. Greats, thanks for sharing the open source keyboard shorts. Keyboard shorts? Which one was that? Wispo? Page, browsing page. Oh, okay. So OpenAI's made something. Let's check out OpenAI. This is what? Wow. This is really pretty. Vibe coding tribe. We have 150 tokens. We have a profile name Alice with some dude as the picture. And there's open bounties. Implement new GPT-4 vision wrapper. Oh, this is really cool. This is pretty much exactly what I asked for. And we can submit a PR. Oh, perfect. Or approve PR. Wow, post bounty. No, this is really nice. Okay. So in terms of getting to something like a prototype working without a backend and stuff, OpenAI definitely won that. Uh, Google just looks like it's down at the moment, which is a big shame. Anthropic wanted me to connect with Superbase, which I think I did, yep. And is it gonna continue? Just keep building. Continue building. Looks like Anthropic kind of needs more pushing along. Rahul says Anthropic is working, Gemini is working for Anthropic. Gemini is working for Rahul, but Anthropic isn't. Interesting. Yeah, Wispo. Oh, sweet. Yeah, are you using Wispo, Mr. Greats? I've been using it too. Yeah, it's really good. Do you get a visa if you're the judge? You don't get a visa if you're the judge, but judging like competitions like this helps for like the O1 visa. I asked to be a judge, but no one got back to me, so I don't know. I would love an O1 visa. Yeah, so someone commented about it too. That was Jason Liu. Okay. Well, I mean, it's a cool project. It's gonna take a lot more prompting to actually get it to work. I wonder what would happen if we connect both of them to the same backend. I wonder if that's possible. I'm gonna try it. I want to see if that's possible. Let's see. So I've connected it to the same backend, but I also might tell it like, you know, let's open up Wispo so I can just talk to this thing. I've connected Superbase. It already contains a schema. Try to utilize the existing schema and not change too much. The enter button doesn't work here. Why is that? Oh, it's... Oh, we have to wait because there's too much traffic. That's pretty annoying, to be honest. Okay, well, while that is doing its thing, that is super annoying. I might do what I was gonna do next. Let's see. Let's open up a new tab here. What I wanted to do next was play with Chatterbox Hugging Face space. Yes. Oh shit, 10 bagger with the 6 roses. Thank you. Have I tried Biella.dev? Have not. 10 bagger tried Augment. Thank you for the recommendation. Yeah, of course, man. I love Augment. It's my favorite. I want to know if yeah. I want to try clone like a Morty voice. So with this, if you guys haven't heard of Chatterbox, it's so cool. You can like clone a voice with just like 10 seconds of audio. And it's an open source model that's like less than a billion parameters. And you can use it for free in Hugging Face. So I want to try like a Morty voice from Rick and Morty. So I'm gonna try find Morty voice. I'm just going on YouTube on my phone to search like Morty voice. Literally just Morty voice.
How many shots is the right amount of shots for the new voices for Rick and Morty?
Morty voice, Morty voice. Or instead of Morty voice, let's just go Morty best lines. Uh, Dude, there's only Rick quotes. I'm searching Morty quotes and it's just Rick quotes. Hmm. Whatever, we'll just go through the couple.
Like that, right? You'll move time. Wait. Okay, someone's been spending too much alien.
Hold on. Bear with me, I'm trying to find some more.
This is the only place we're gonna you and me. But so I do it dead family board.
It's called Carpe Diem, Morty. Look it up.
You look it up. You don't even know what it means.
That's because losers live
Wherever the universe blows you.
Alright, what if I search Morty speech? Okay, here we go. Evil Morty speech. Candidate Morty debate speech. I hope it doesn't have music.
This place Morty's is soaring, while Rick's satisfaction levels are.
Clone Trump voice? We could do Trump as well. By Morty. It's gotta start with OGs, yes. Do his iconic Morty scream. I don't know if we can do the scream. Search Narendra Modi. Is that like an Indian politician? What are your weaknesses? Aspects you'd like to improve in yourself. Is that a genuine question to me?
Plummeting, and the divide between the two.
I don't know. Whatever.
I don't see a divide.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. I got a Morty voice. Where's my mouse? This is a speech. This is like a President Morty, so it's definitely not like an oh geez Morty, but it's still Morty.
Between Rick's and Morty's. Oh, shocker.
Oh no.
Gentlemen, I think we can all agree on one thing. Came out as two things, but you get the idea. You guys finished? The division I see is between the Ricks and Mortys that like the Citadel divided and the rest of us. I see it everywhere I go. I see it in our schools, where they teach Mortys we're all the same because they're threatened by what makes us unique. I see it in our streets, where they give guns to Mortys, so we're too busy fighting each other to fight real injustice. I see it in our
Okay,
factories.
that should be good enough. That's 20 seconds of Morty. Let's see if I can hear that.
And the rest of us. I see it everywhere I go.
It's not the highest quality, but let's just see how this goes. So, uh, okay, genuine question about my weaknesses. Okay, I'll do that after we process this. That's a deep question. Reza, I'm doing well. Bro, trying to get interview answers. Is that why? Or bro's trying to find my weaknesses so he can like attack me or something. I don't know. Art of war. What should we make Morty say? Yo, Soundwave. Hello, tech friends. Tech friend here has kept me hostage and won't let me go unless you like, subscribe, and share this video. Please, I'm just an innocent Morty. I never subscribe. I never wanted to be a little hostage slave Morty. Okay, whatever. We're gonna turn up the exaggeration to 1.3. Generate. All right. Answer this dude's question. What are my weaknesses or aspects I'd like to... Whoa, that was too fast. Sorry, guys. Hold on, let's hear this.
Tech friend here has kept me hostage and won't let me go unless you like, subscribe, and share this video. Please, I'm just an innocent Morty. I never wanted to be a little hostage slave Morty.
The quality is bad just because I recorded a bad quality. It's a bit of a shame. All right, what about if I turn down? It's so fast as well, which is amazing. But yeah, this chatterbox thing's really good. I guess like the output's gonna be as good as the input.
Tech friends, tech friend here has kept me hostage and won't let me go unless you like, subscribe, and share this video. Please, I'm just an innocent Morty. I never wanted to be a little hostage slave Morty.
It's almost good. think you can also turn down the pace that makes it a bit slower. What other options do you get? Temperature.
Hello, tech friends. Tech friend here has kept me hostage and won't let me go unless you like, subscribe, and share this video. Please, I'm just an...
Yeah. What do you think about augment code? Is there anything better than augment code? There's Claude Code. A lot of people love Claude Code. I haven't tried it. Something you can use for free. If you want to use something for free, I'd say Aider, Klein, Rue, one of those open source things, and then like open source R1 0528 through Open Router is pretty good. This one 0528 for free. Use that as the backend for one of the open source LLM models. I think you can even use this with Cursor. You can bring your own model of Cursor, right? My weakness is getting mad at these questions. No, okay. Look, seriously, my weakness, I guess like consistency in output. I'd love to like post a video every day, but you know, there's some days where I don't feel like it, or a lot of days where there's just too much on. Um, so I guess like being consistent is like a weakness. What else? Something I'd like to improve on. Yeah, that's also something I'd like to improve on. Or just like planning for the future and like preparing multiple videos so I can like post a video every day type shit. Did I miss a message? What's this? Have I seen the movie Lovable? The Norwegian drama was so emotional. Um, no. Is that about Lovable? Oh no, it's not about Lovable. No, I haven't seen that. To bring your own King cursor, you need the Pro subscription. Okay, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of like using it for free. Show me what's on the dark web. I've never been on the dark web, so I wouldn't be able to show you there. Okay, so how is my lovable stuff going? Okay, build unsuccessful with Anthropic. Fix it. For some reason, the try to fix button is grayed out. Huh? Oh, but we do have. Okay, I'm gonna give up on Google. This was Google. Okay, vibe coding tribe. This is a better landing page. So what OpenAI made was more of like a straight into the dashboard page. Uh, why does it go back to Anthropic? So weird. Yeah, more of a dashboard page, whereas Anthropic here made like a landing page first. Definitely some obvious issues here, like the light text on light button. Again here, though I do like this part. And let's try to fix. Okay, there we go. Try to fix. It's pretty cool. We can just let this cook and just vibe debug while we go. Oh, did that fix it? Uh, refactor. Oh, this does have a landing page. This is pretty cool. Not bad. Not good enough to make a video with, but um, I have ideas. I want something like impressive that we can really test these models with. What do you think about vibe coders? Never had any coding class but make to application format. Yeah, I mean these days, like vibe coding is definitely plausible. I know a lot of people hate on it, and yeah, I mean if you don't have the knowledge of like software engineering and you do vibe coding, you can get caught doing like bad practices and introducing vulnerabilities and stuff like that for sure. But also with AI and these AI coding tools, you can kind of like get it to look for vulnerabilities, improve the code, stuff like that too. So as long as you're not confident in the security and edge cases, I think like you're more than capable of doing very, very like impressive things without any prior coding knowledge. But you should be like open to learn along the way. Don't rely 100% on the AI to do everything. You need to kind of learn with the AI type of thing. You know what I mean? What do I think about vibe coding in 3D space? Yeah, I mean, if you saw my last video, I was vibe coding 3D stuff. If that's what you mean, like
It's
3D
currently live.
3D games. This game, I've been like vibe coding a bunch of features for it. Yeah, if you looked at this, I didn't really write any code manually. I did like I have a lot of the knowledge that helped me write a better prompt and like analyze the situation. And I did do some debugging. I changed like a few characters and numbers to like make a sword bigger manually, but like 99% of the code changed was through AI. There is an agenda being pushed here. What's the agenda? Any source for improving security? Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of tutorials and stuff online about like software security, but your project is very unique, and the vulnerabilities for each project are quite different. Generally, there's a lot of overlap. That's true, but there's also a lot of specifics in how your architecture is and how your project is. So ideally, as I've said, if you have an AI coding tool that knows the context of your code base, you ask it to do an analysis on your code base, look for edge cases or like packages with vulnerabilities. There's also this thing called Sneak. I don't know how to pronounce it, Sneak or SNYK. This this can also analyze your thing. It's like a very tried and trusted tool in like the cybersecurity space. It can analyze your project and find vulnerabilities too. So you think you can make fully production apps with AI? Yeah, definitely can. But as I said, like it requires patience and being able to, do some security analysis and some iterations on ensuring the security is up to date. You mean exploring the code base in 3D space? Ooh, yeah. No, that's a cool idea. I don't know how like useful that is, but yeah, definitely. What's this? Vibecody.vercel.app. Doc AI. Okay, you give it a GitHub and it analyzes it. All right, let's look at that transcribe anything I just made a video about. Analyze. Oh, it's gonna do 3D? Oh, sick. Looking forward to it. Successfully analyzed 0 components. Damn. Why was that? Do I need to put an API key or something? Thanks, Vienna. Yo, DLXer, what's up? No, just click analyze. I did. All right, without putting anything. Oh, okay, there we go. This is 2D. Oh, do I press 3D demo? Ooh, welcome to the 3D demo. This is cool. Uh, this looks honestly more of a gimmick than anything useful. But I like the idea. Maybe it's just this execution. Like, I mean, for a 2D screen, it's like a gimmick, but something like this could be useful in like a VR headset where I could like move around shit, you know, and like, oh, yep, 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 maybe. I don't know. Yo, Dark Sky, welcome. Sensini, thank you for the gift. The other 3D universe tab. Okay, there was another tab, wasn't there? This one. Oh, okay, this is definitely better. Um, Interesting. It Potentially there could be something to it. Currently, obviously, it doesn't tell me anything that I wouldn't get from a 2D. But I love where you're going with this, for sure. It's very innovative, I'd say. Ooh, first person. Follow agent. Ooh, this is cool. No, this is really cool, man. Thanks for sharing. Navigating to collapse.tsx. It just seems so unnecessary to me. I don't know. Like, it's like, what is the agent doing? I don't know. Is this to like visualize like a coding agent analyzing a code base, or I don't know. I don't really get it, to be honest, but it looks cool. Nathan also. Yeah. Well, you click on stuff and it goes to it. Okay, okay. It's another character. Should we get like the Trump voice? I really do like Morty's voice though. Wait, wait, wait.
I'm Morty.
Oh, that was pretty good.
A cartoon? Let's just get this over with, okay?
We need like 10 seconds.
Your receipt, yo! Thanks, Snuffles. Quit while you're ahead. Absolutely not. You ever wonder what it was like to do a TV? No. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night.
We could download all these and stitch them together. I might do that. Oh, you gotta pay? Copyright clearance. Be careful. If you download premium, it's royalty free. Let's see. Yeah, man, there's definitely something cool you could have applied to Lovable, that 3D thing. Yo, good morning from California. Good morning, California. I hope your Waymos aren't on fire and your protests are peaceful. To all new devs, if you're just getting started with coding, learn and understand the difference between automated flows and agentic flows, where and when each applies. One of Mr. Poopy Bottle. Netflix with VO3, yeah, dude, that shit's gonna be crazy. Or like TikTok, where like everything is just like super personalized and like automatically generated for you. That shit's crazy, gonna be crazy.
Absolutely not.
Um,
I'm Morty.
yeah, I'm gonna just keep downloading some Morty things. I'm gonna stitch them together, and then I'm gonna try Chatterbox again with high quality Morty samples.
A cartoon? Oh!
Let's get the screaming one. Rainbow Fire started, dude. Using Claude Code or Codex these days or still Cursor? Neither. I'm using Augment Code.
You know.
Okay, is good.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds like something a chicken would say.
What? Is that an actual quote? Maybe. AI videos are confusing for the elderly. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Did I see National Guard Bob? No, is that an AI generated video that's confusing the elderly? Okay, we have all these videos. Now what I'm gonna do is put them in a folder. How do I do that? New folder. Morty. All right, we got a Morty folder. Uh, let's open Warp in a new thing. Let's go CD downloads. Uh, CD Morty, and then I want to bring up the agent mode in Warp, and I'm going to be like, combine all the audio files inside this directory into one audio file with all the individual files stitched together with a half a second gap in between each file. I think they can do that with like FFmpeg. Did I see that goes through side by side with Augment? You avoided it because of that. Oh, did he say it wasn't good? No, I haven't. I'm down to check it out though. Goes through which one? Which one's the side by side? Agent Zero? I mean, yeah, I mean I've been aware of Agent Zero for a long time, but I haven't I either haven't tried it ever or I haven't tried it in a long time. But yeah, we have some big fans of Agent Zero in the Discord. Okay. Supposedly we have the combined Morty file audio, sorry. Let's see.
Oh, that sounds like something a chicken would say. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. You know, I'm Morty. Oh!
Okay. That's pretty good. We're gonna try making new Morty. Yes. I'm gonna try making new Morty voice with the new high quality video audio I just created. Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs? Let's try that. Thoughts on the paper by Apple? Yeah. Um, it's kind of cringe, I think. Um, yeah, I think it's cringe. Honestly, I haven't read it, but it's just cringe. It's just like, please, Apple, stop trying to shit on everyone else's progress and just do something good yourself, in my opinion. It's like, have you seen that meme? Apple meme, they don't know LLMs can't read. There's like a meme I saw. This one. I love this meme. It's like they don't know the models aren't actually reasoning. Oh, it's so good. The video was the best coding agent. I think you put augment at number 2 and did another Claude Coder video. What's about it? Oh, okay. And what was number 1? Claude Code. We'll have a look at that after I try the augmenting. Increasing temp and reducing exaggeration seems more stable. Oh, okay, I'll try that. Let's just see what it looks like this.
Jeez, tech friend, how are we going to make brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs?
Okay, let's go. Less exaggeration. More temperature. How much temperature? 1.6? I love how fast it is. Like, we can just experiment with these parameters pretty well.
Jeez, tech friend, going to make brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs.
That was definitely worse. All right, let's bring this down to 0.95. Apple will be like, actually, these LLMs cannot reason. Is there a stutter filter? Deoplexer asks, what's his brother? This is Chatterbox's TTS demo. Chatterbox is a text-to-speech model that's open source and less than 1 billion parameters, really fast, and you can try it for free on Hugging Face, and it does like one-shot voice cloning. You can see I just uploaded 9 seconds of Morty sound clips to try get a Morty voice. It might not be enough with 9 seconds.
Geez, tech friend, how are we going to make brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs?
That's better. Let's see what happens if I bring down the exaggeration a lot. Could you include a stutter in your text? Oh, good question.
Geez, tech friend, how are we going to make brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs?
Let's go. How are we going to make brain rot? Let's try with dashes. I don't know if that'll work. Um, let's see. What's my thoughts on V Jepa? I don't even know what that is. Pat says it gets a voice right, but the cadence and rhythm is off. Supposedly, like the cadence and rhythm is what we're meant to be able to um adjust with this CFG pace parameter. Wait, is this a new generation? We have to regenerate. I think it bugged out.
Oh, geez, tech friend, how are we going to make brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs?
Oh, that's actually a bit better. Um, the dash didn't really work that well in stuttering. Let's try space. Oh, okay.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs?
The exaggeration at the end. All right, I'm gonna go full exaggerate, I mean the exhalation. I'm gonna go full exaggeration. See how much that messes it up. And
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voice?
okay, so that's like literally exaggeration, like yelling. What if we go like super low?
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tools like 11 Labs?
Kind of gonna up this.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive T tools like 11 Labs?
T tools. I think what if we do like tech tools? All right, this is the last one. And then what I'm gonna also do is try to animate this with Hedra. So I think we get a free character animation with Hedra. Let's download Morty Smith picture. Uh, this one's pretty good. Save as JPG. Morty. Let's see how good. Oh, this might be too small. Oh no, that's great. We're gonna upload Morty Smith here. Nope. We're gonna. How do I upload Morty Smith? Here. Upload Morty Smith image, and we're gonna upload. Wait. And then we're gonna download Morty Smith audio.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
Oh, that was pretty good stuttering there. Money. I'm gonna upload audio. Audio. And oh, and video. Ooh, we can prompt character motions and gestures. Stressed out. Stressed out. All right. Let's see how long this takes. There are 21 generations in the free queue. Free wait time 30 minutes. All right. This might take 30 minutes. There's also another one. What's the other one called? Anyone in chat remember? Hold on, let me look. I have to look through my DMs to find it. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Dreamina. We're gonna try Dreamina. Supposedly this also can animate characters. Uh, AI avatar generator. Lip sync. Here we go. Import character image. Morty Smith. Upload audio. Morty Smith. Okay. Generate. Not enough credits.
Oh, geez, tech friend.
Oh, Gigi's tech friend. Not enough credits. Oh, jeez. Supposedly, I don't have enough credits. Oh well. Looks like we'll just wait for Hedra. I mean, we can watch the Gosu video, I guess, while we wait. Yo, Keegan, you joined just as I was actually looking for um the thing. They changed the credit system. It's expensive to use a lip sync tool now. Used to be 20 per generation. Yeah, damn. I was gonna say, because you said you used it for free. So I was like, how can I use it for free? Luckily, we can still use Hedra for free. And apparently it's 80% done. Maybe I'll just wait. Can VO3 do it? No, VO3, um, no, you can't do lip sync with VO3. You can upload a start frame. I think that's about, oh my god, this looks cursed. Let's see.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
Damn, why is this so bad?
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices? Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
I guess it didn't really figure out where the face is. I don't know. Bro, that, yeah, that was surprisingly bad. Is it because the model was bad? Maybe the model was bad. Damn, that's pretty disappointing. I thought it would be able to do a better job. Can we do another one? I might try without the prompt. I don't know if that'll be any better. All right, let's try this. Will Smith spaghetti, yeah, literally. No, I stopped doing that spreadsheet. It was just too hard, unfortunately. And like there was a point where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start doing it again. But it's like the rate that these tools are shipping, it's like every day they release like a new feature. It's just like so hard to keep up and keep that spreadsheet accurate. And it's like, I'm not getting paid to do it, so so I don't really feel that urgent to do it. All right, I want to watch that Gosu video. Which one did you say it was? Best AI coding assistant. This one. I did watch this. Oh, he did a bunch of different tests. Um, yeah.
Instruction following. I do a series of unit tests, and then I have LLMs as a judge. I found it to be and get what quality, and there
I don't think like this type of testing
are a lot that I have not included. A the test
is great.
the score 5,000 time that the qual. So
Honestly, like,
I
yeah,
would say Gemini Pro 2.50506, based on the evaluations that I've done, AI substantial test hit this much more than ZAI. And job when we find followed by root code. Trey makes its appearance here. I know a lot of you have asked about testing that with. It's the 7,280. Not as void at code to 80. Still comes in 71. Trey and Windsor for the both of them.
yeah, I don't know. I think I did watch that. Just pin an AI chat thread and semantically type product opinions into a single thread. How do you mean? Really journey here. What's up, bite size? Okay, we got a new head draw. Is this
Geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
this is a bit better.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
A bit better. Only slightly. So what I changed there was I didn't put a prompt, and I also changed the ratio to 16:9. But yeah, it's still not great. There's also Sync Labs. Wait, is this? I haven't tried this in a while. I mean, there's also you can also try video translation. Do they only do video translation? Um, okay. What about HeyGen? I think with HeyGen you have to photo to video.
Avatar 4 allows you to turn
Okay. JPEG. Script. Upload audio. Okay. Hold on, this could work. Share a thread, have the AI make the charts. Interesting. Voice mirroring. Choose a voice and we'll match your audio's recording style. Emotion and tone. Match your record. Don't know what that is. I'm just gonna add audio here. More expressive. No, let's just leave that. Maybe we can experiment later. Because I think I have a bunch of credits here. Look, you can see my old AI videos.
OpenAI just dropped a game changer for coding. Reasoning models like O3 Mini and
The
DeepSeek.
HeyGen lip sync is so
These
good.
aren't just chatbots. They think like developers, breaking down problems step by step.
It's just the audio was bad here, but apparently, like, if I use the premium audio, it would be really good.
Accurate, structured solutions. So what makes them different? Unlike standard LLMs.
Use this by Hunyuan? What's the Hunyuan one called? Hunyuan lip sync? Ooh, is that? Lip sync. What about Nim? Does Nim have lip sync? Friend from Wish. That's funny. Um, image to video. Add controls. Tools. Lip sync. Oh, shit, Chloe. I didn't know you knew about these tools like that. Oh, this is just going to use Hedra. But it also has actually latent sync plus clean. Oh, it says face not detected. I think that's the issue. It's like having trouble detecting the face. Damn. Maybe we need to put an image of Morty with a closed mouth, you know? That's actually probably what we need to do. Oh, let's click this. Oh, this is pretty good. Similar images. Ooh, what about 3D Morty? Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. Let's do 3D Morty. All right, we're gonna use all these tools again. Um, Dude, Hedra looks like you can use it with quite a lot. Like they give you quite a lot of credits for free, which is really nice. All right, where we go? 3D Morty. Processing on Hedra. How's Heygen doing? Heygen. Oh, Heygen's ready.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
Okay. Heygen, not great. Let's try with the 3D Morty. Oh, geez, tech friend.
Oh, geez, tech.
More expressive. What is this? I don't think this can do lip sync. All right, we're gonna try Nim with 3D Morty. Come on, detect the face. Damn it. Nim just can't detect the face in a character. Maybe it can only do like realistic images. Oh, we got 3D Morty.
Oh, geez, tech friend.
Oh, this is way better, guys.
How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools?
Oh, this is so good.
Geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
I'm glad you asked, Morty. You just used Chatterbox TTS. You want tech for an action figure? Yeah, did you see it? Where was that? That was in Nim. I want a tech for an action figure too. Where is it? Where do I see my creations? Yeah, tech for an action figure. Now, what we can use Nim for is to upscale this Hedra creation because the Hedra creation looks upgrade to download water. No, fuck that, dude.
Geez, tech friend.
We're gonna hack this. Do you think they can make me download with a watermark? Oh, think again, Mr. Hedra.
How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices?
Download. Aha! Take that.
Oh, geez, tech friend.
Yeah. I'll see your stupid ass watermark on that. All right, let's try upload. Let's try upscale. Where's upscale? Upscale. Yeah. Upscale. How many credits do I have? 17. Okay, so I can't do the big one. What about this one? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Hey. Upscale. Heygen, Higgsfield, and Hedra are the best at the moment. Bunyan is a model that can be accessed on their site. using Google login. Let's see how Heijen did actually.
Oh, geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
It's okay. It wasn't really great at the start, but it was pretty good at the end.
Geez, tech friend.
Like here, tech friend, like it doesn't move his mouth.
Oh, geez, tech friend.
It's like, oh, geez, tech friend.
How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs?
And also, he comes in the screen and like cuts off his head, which I don't like. So yeah, we're just gonna upscale this, and that's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna make like a video with this Morty in the future. Yeah. Okay, Rahul apparently shared something to Linkston. So what's this? Login with WeChat. He said manual login at the end. I want to sign up for this, but does this do lip sync? Bro's got the Chinese hookups. You can use Cheapo 3D to turn an image to 3D. Then you gotta pay extra to get it 3D printed by them. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right. Yeah. What else should we do this stream? Anyone have ideas on what to do with Lovable? Let me have a look through my notes. Meanwhile, I can shop for a 5090. I actually had a 5090 that I sold because I have no use for it, and it's worth a lot more than what I bought it for. I mean, it would have been nice to do some like video gen stuff locally, I guess, but like, it's a lot easier to just pay for the cloud stuff and cheaper for most of my use. If I was doing like lots of video gen and shit, maybe. Pre-ordered the Nvidia DGX. Yeah, that shouldn't be too long. I think they said 3 months since the Nvidia conference. When was the conference? I feel like it's been 2 months, so maybe like next month. They said May. Oh shit, okay. I don't know where I got 2, 3 months from. Should we browse X? Hopefully not come across anything political. I wonder if we can see the other people's submissions on this AI showdown. Supposedly not. Lovable. Wait, what if we search lovable AI showdown videos? Mm. Mm. Which model is better?
Don't have anything to do this weekend and feel stupid? Well, here I
Bro,
have
is this auto dub? I've been seeing some auto dub videos, which is sick. I wish YouTube auto dubs my video.
a solution for both. This weekend you will have unlimited use of Anthropic ChatGPT models. Well, OpenAI and Google, that is, Gemini. And you can also win up to $65,000 in different prizes. And all this is managed and can be used through
Actually, you could win up to 75,000.
Lovable an app, which is basically a platform for building applications, all that. Access begins at 8 in the morning, Central European Time, which for Mexico is more or less 12 midnight on Saturday. And you
See. I wonder if like all this videos is just whoa. He has 400,000 subs.
Here's everything you just announced in a minute. A nice
Wait,
redesign
what?
is called Liquid Glass, which is a new
Bro,
translucent
this is auto dubbed. How do we get the original audio? I'm really curious about this. Is this dubbed too?
Today was the Worldwide Developer
Yeah, look,
Conference.
check it out. Auto dubbed. Have you guys seen this shit? Can you auto dub my videos
Apple
to YouTube, please? How do you do that? That shit's crazy. Here, look, audio track. This is the original Spanish.
Hoy fue el Worldwide Developer Conference, la conferencia.
That's amazing, dude. In the future, all this shit will be auto dubbed. It's crazy. Might be a checkbox. Yeah, I haven't seen it. YouTube gave access to a few creators. Oh, I'm not one of them. Sure, I'll get it eventually. Yeah. Well, I guess I might, wrap up stream. I think I've done everything I wanted to do. Hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun making this AI Morty. Talking about Lovable. It's been from 2023. Oh shit. I only just noticed it this week. Grab a pint and some wee chippies. Yeah, I might as well. Actually in the city now, so I can like see some cooler stuff. Cheerio, mate. Yeah, cheerio. Let's just wait till we get this HD Morty. And then yeah, man. Thank you for sticking around, Paul, Rahul, Keegan, everyone else. Appreciate y'all. Almost there. Yeah, bro. I'm in London. Oh, did I not tell you? You should come over. Come through, bro. I swear I told you. Maybe I'll come through to Birmingham. How far is Birmingham? It's like the other thing is the trains in fucking UK cost like 170 quid or some shit to get to. Whoa, this actually looks nice. Damn, I didn't know Birmingham was nice like that. Let's see, how long does it take? Oh, it's only 2 hours. You're south. Are you south or north? North. How long would that? How much money would that be? Um, how the fuck do I use this website? I don't know how to do this. Yeah, I know London's better, yeah. But I get to see Keegan if I go to Birmingham. Dude, why is this stuck at 99%? It's always a lost percent. Come on, Nim. I'm gonna give you 1 minute. If this doesn't do it in 1 minute, we'll end stream. What should I eat for dinner? Sure, there'll be a lot of options. Saturday night. Oh, this guy's coding an online game.
You can just wholesale replace it today. You seem kind of stuck.
What the fuck is this? Gizmo Gadget.app? This is
Okay.
another vibe coding app? Gadget.app. Oh my god, it's another vibe coding app. Oh, you can build a Shopify app. That's pretty cool. It's like an e-commerce vibe coding app.
Writing code has never been that hard. What's actually hard about programming is writing it in a way that's guaranteed to always work, stay secure, and be.
It's cool. Never heard of this. Trying to use in for notice. What is that? Never heard that either. Dude, there's so many of these tools.
That looks right. Although I can't type. Oh yeah, I can. Metal. Stuff and like, I mean, if you want to join again. But damn, this is
Oh, he was streaming while the Cloudflare outages happened. That's pretty funny. Was that yesterday? I want to comment. Haha, were you streaming as the outages happened? Is that what happened? Let me just double check.
intending on streaming tomorrow as well. But maybe that's a sign. But maybe that's a sign. Maybe we should come back and do this again. Perhaps later today.
Did he come back?
Or
He did. Rock'em Sock'em Robots game. Oh, it's text-based.
very strong.
It's pretty lame. Oh shit, we got the HD Morty now, finally.
To make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs.
Damn, it's 4K.
Oh geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B brain rot with accurate voices without spending money on expensive tech tools like 11 Labs? Oh geez, tech friend. How are we going to make B?
This is awesome. All right, guys. We are done. What am I in London for? I'm processing US work visa, and supposedly the embassy here is the fastest to process it. So yeah. Yesterday I need decentralized hosting for sure. Uh-huh. 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 Okay. Thanks, guys. Toodaloo. Toodaloo. Bro knows all the UK slang. Toodaloo.